What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today I'm going to be talking about the quickest and easiest way that you can start earning $1,000 a day online. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be showing you step by step of how you can get started, and I'm also going to be giving you a bunch of stuff like access to the digital playbook right here, where this is a checklist that shows you how to get started, step-by-step tutorials. You're also going to get all the different prompts I use for my short form content. You're also going to get a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. Also, already made short form, done for you videos that you can go ahead and just post on your different social media platforms. You're also going to get access to our group right here. This is called the Digital Playbook, where we host weekly calls once a week. Also, members only videos where I kind of talk about some stuff that I can't put on YouTube. And also, you're able to direct message me with any questions you have. Go ahead and before we dive in, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below that lets me know you're taking action. And let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to gohighlevel.com and sign up for this software. There's other softwares that I know people in the group use. They use HubSpot, Systems.io, but I use High Level just because I've been using it for a couple of years and I have all the systems and everything built out already. So once you sign up, you're going to get taken to a screen that looks like this. This is going to be your main dashboard. Go High Level calls it a sub account, but the three areas that I want to be covering today are going to be over here on the left. This is going to be sites. We have automations and marketing. So marketing, that's where your social planner is going to be. That's where you're going to be able to schedule out your content for weeks, months in advance. Automations, that's where we can build out different sequences for when you're starting to build out your email list. And then sites over here, that's where you can build out your funnel and build out your different automations. So what ACES is just a short acronym that means attention. You're on this channel because you want to learn how to make money online with AI. You need attention on the tool, the product, the service, or I talk about traffic, same thing. Once you have the attention, you need to have a conversation. Let's say a conversation would be just like a back and forth, maybe like a phone call, an email. An email is a good way to conversate with someone because you're initially taking that attention from social media, everything, and you're bringing it down into their email inbox, which is more one-to-one. That counts as conversation. Let's keep on the email list. So educate by sending them emails every so often. You're educating them on whatever they opted in for. You're educating them, and then whenever they're ready, that's when the sale happens. So a lot of the people that join the group, they have the misconception that they can just start posting content and making money with their first video. Definitely possible. I like to say, or I do say, but I've heard someone say that posting like social media is like the lottery because you never know if something's going to hit. But we got to be very strategic, and you need to start posting content so you can start building that attention. So how are we going to build attention? We're going to be posting content. But more specifically is we're going to be driving traffic or attention to different links up here. The top 10 right here are the links that I'm using, and pretty much or everything on here is an affiliate or has an affiliate program. And how you sign up to become an affiliate, let's just go back to the Go High Level example, is pretty much all of these softwares. If you scroll down to the bottom, they'll have a little area that says affiliate program. All you would need to do, hit become affiliate, sign up, and then you would get a little link that looks like this. And this is the link that we're going to be driving traffic to. Just a link like this. Super simple. And when someone signs up, you get a commission. So Go High Level, Blotato. Blotato is a really, really good tool. This is how I've been recently creating all my content as far as my short form. But let's go ahead and go through the process. First thing, we got Go High Level. I literally give you how to start. All these tutorials are time stamped, and we can get you guys moving forward. If you don't do anything, just post every day. Send 50 DMs, engage with 100 people, one Facebook post, 7 days in a row, generate one image. If you're just doing content and building attention, good things are going to happen. So let's just go back to here and let's go ahead and talk about sites or funnels. So a funnel is an opt-in page where we're going to be sending the traffic that we get from the short form videos that we're creating. So you're going to be, let me just show Instagram. So all these, okay, Mike. So all these, pretty much my strategy is just everything is boom, respond, let's comment. I don't get too much engagement on, well, I have a bunch of different profiles, but I just wanted to show you. So all we're doing is we're making a call to action in everything. Now, obviously this strategy that I'm using is not optimized and I'm just spamming, but it's just because I'm wanting to make sure I get content out on all my different platforms. So I give examples, and if you've been following me, you know all this stuff. But from what happens is, let's say they comment AI. Someone comments AI, then we would DM them our link, not the affiliate link, but we would DM them our domain link. So for this case, mine is Digital Playbook. If you need a domain, you can actually purchase one from Go High Level. It could be something like aichecklist.com or videoswithai.com. Just anything. It could be whatever. It doesn't even have to be the AI niche. But once they would click on that, they get sent to this page right here. So change that to be aiclone.com. Boom. My lead magnet is the checklist because I give that away for free. They would put in their first name, email, and then they would get sent into the email automation. So that is what we're going to talk about next. After they put in their information, they will get taken to an email sequence. Now, if you want all of this stuff that I have inside of Go High Level, it's obviously going to be inside my snapshot, but I'm about to take this away because no one seems to use it, or no one seems to care to use all this stuff, because I can see how many people are clicking it, and it's definitely not a lot compared to the people that keep on asking me questions. So I love the questions. No question is a bad question, but it always refers back to just taking action and putting content out there. Sorry, I'm passionate about this. Where was I? Click on get snapshot. You're going to hit yes, import it, and it's going to import it into your account. It doesn't even take that long to load. And then what you have is you'll have all this, all the different sites, everything. And let's just go back here. The one that I give you guys, I have in a right here. And why this is one of the ones you'll get, but this isn't the one that I want to show. One of the ones that this one that I'm about to show, the new email opt-in, I want you guys to start with this one first because I have it set up with custom values. What that means is, that is really close. So if you can see in all these emails, there are hyperlinks. Boom, we have one here. All these would be links to your affiliate. And notice right here, it says custom values. This means that once I show you in the settings portion, all you have to do is you put your affiliate link in one place, and then it automatically populates everywhere where it has this highlighted link. So how you would go ahead and do that is we're going to go back to settings. Let's go to custom values. And what you would need to do is just create a new one. I'll show you. I always like affiliate link. This is where you would put your affiliate link right there, and you are all set. All right, so we have the affiliate link, or we have the email automation, and we have the funnel set up. Now we need to talk about the social media planner. So I'm not even going to really explain this because it's self-explanatory. You'll connect your social media accounts, and then you have a whole calendar that you're able to schedule out your content. So my schedule is, once a month. I'll schedule out content for the whole month. So here probably pretty soon, this is perfect. Next weekend, I'm going to spend all weekend just creating content and scheduling it out. The funny thing is I already have a lot of content already scheduled out for February. But scheduling out content doesn't mean anything if we don't have the content created. And that is where we're going to be going to and talking about Blotato. So I came across this tool a couple weeks ago and I love it. All of February, this is what my content is going to be made out of. So let's just go ahead and go to AI tools. You can click here to get access to it. You can try it for free. I'm on the $30 a month plan. If you go back and watch some of my older videos, I always talk about how you're going to have to put videos together. Then you have to go to CapCut, add captions. You can do everything in here. Everything can be done in here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Exit out of here. We're going to exit out of this.